Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Zone. Today, we are going to practice shadowing with a very useful topic, at the restaurant. This practice will help you sound more natural, improve your listening, and train your mouth to speak English smoothly and confidently. Here's how it works. I will read the dialogue 2 times. First, listen carefully and try to follow the rhythm, the intonation, and the pronunciation. Then, I will pause so you can repeat after me. Don't worry, I will also put subtitles on the screen and will leave enough space for you to shadow comfortably. So, get ready to practice your English just like a real conversation in a restaurant. Let's begin.
Part 1. Arriving at the restaurant.
A table for 2, please. A table for 2, please.
Sure. This way, please. Sure. This way, please.
Do you have a table by the window? Do you have a table by the window?
Yes. Right over here. Yes. Right over here.
Awesome! Here comes the next dialogue.
Part 2. Getting the menu.
Can I see the menu, please? Can I see the menu, please?
Of course. Here you are. Of course. Here you are.
What do you recommend? What do you recommend?
The pasta is very popular. The pasta is very popular.
Excellent work. Let's keep going.
Part 3. Ordering food.
I'd like the chicken soup, please. I'd like the chicken soup, please.
Certainly. Anything else? Certainly. Anything else?
Can I have a burger with fries? Can I have a burger with fries?
Yes. Would you like a drink with that? Yes. Would you like a drink with that?
Could I have it without onions? Could I have it without onions?
Of course, no onions. Of course, no onions.
I'd like a glass of water, please. I'd like a glass of water, please.
Still or sparkling? Still or sparkling?
Great job! Now let's try the next situation.
Part 4. During the meal.
Could we get some extra napkins? Could we get some extra napkins?
Of course. Here you go. Of course. Here you go.
The food is delicious. The food is delicious.
I'm glad you like it. I'm glad you like it.
The food is a bit cold. The food is a bit cold.
I'll warm it up for you. I'll warm it up for you.
Nice practice. Let's continue.
Part 5. Dessert and finishing.
Can we see the dessert menu? Can we see the dessert menu?
Yes. Here it is. Yes. Here it is.
I'd like an ice cream, please. I'd like an ice cream, please.
One ice cream, thank you. One ice cream, thank you.
Just coffee for me, thank you. Just coffee for me, thank you.
Sure. One coffee. Sure. One coffee.
Well done. Let's move on to the next part.
Part 6. Asking for the bill.
Can we have the bill, please? Can we have the bill, please?
Yes, I'll bring it right away. Yes, I'll bring it right away.
Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we do. Yes, we do.
Keep the change. Thank you. Keep the change. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
You did it! Ready for the next part?
Part 7. Leaving.
Thanks for everything. Thanks for everything.
It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure.
See you next time. See you next time.
We look forward to it. We look forward to it. Awesome work today, everyone! You've just finished shadowing a real-life conversation at the restaurant. Remember, the more you repeat this practice, the more natural and confident you'll sound in English. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Did the pace feel too fast, too slow, or just right for you? Is there any situation you'd like me to cover in the next practice? Your feedback will help me make these lessons even more useful. So don't be shy. Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this shadowing practice, join us again here on English Zone for more everyday English. Keep practicing, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next video.